How to fix Valorant not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do, just type here background apps, and after that just turn off background apps and go back. Type here before that, just right click on Valorant and click run as an administrator, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to device manager, and now just go to display adapters, right click on your GPU and click update driver, and that's it. Just make sure your driver is updated, and now just close this window or restart your PC, and then try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.